Hello everyone! Today I would like to say that with all the material we have released to support the NOx sensor, there is still a little bonus something that we can show you before we turn our attention to the product group next door, urea pumps and injectors. So with that in mind, please enjoy the show. Today we are located at a customer's workshop and we have a lovely MAN TGS truck over here. We're going to show you how to replace a NOx sensor. Now when the heat shields have been removed, we'll get access to the NOx sensor. To loosen the NOx sensor probe, it is always best to use a socket type tool. But because of the sensor wire, it is not possible to use the conventional socket. You have to use one such as this that has a cutout space for the wire to go through. The reason why sockets are always best is because they are harder to strip. In some cases, such as the one that we can see here, it's impossible to use a tool of this length. It will simply not fit, and in this case we have an alternative here, which is a wrench that has a cutout passage for the wire. As we can see here, the sensor came out quite okay. There's not much sign of contamination, so it's evidence that the exhaust system is healthy. Before installing the new NOx sensor, it's very important to pay attention to cleanliness. In this case, we will blow out the old connector with compressed air. And to make sure the electrical connection is there, we'll use some contact spray to boost it. Now we are finally ready to install our Generation 2 NOx sensor. The new sensor has finally been installed and the truck is ready to get back in business where it belongs. Thank you for watching. Make sure to follow us on social media and stay tuned for the upcoming episode about urea pumps and injectors. See you next time.